In this question, we are looking at two mixed fractions and we are looking to add them together to give our answer in simplest form. Please look back on previous videos on adding fractions with different denominators if you are unsure how to combine these values together. When we are given mixed fractions and we are looking to add them, we are going to look at the whole numbers separately to the fractions that have been given to us. That means we are going to combine the 2 plus the 3 first to give us an answer of 5, and then look to combine the fraction separately. We have different denominators, so we're going to use the smile is the x factor method to be able to combine those values together. 5 must remain by the side throughout. When we do smile as the x factor, we smile by multiplying the bottom two numbers together with 10 multiplied by the 5. And then the first part of the x factor is to multiply the 1 by the 5 and combine that with the 10 multiplied by the 1. This gives us an answer of 5 whole ones with 1 times 5 is 5. Add 10 times 1 is 10, and that's all over a value of 10 times 5, which is 50. 5 whole ones remain by the side. We've got 5 plus 10 gives us 15 over 50. We can see here that 15 out of 50 is not in the simplest form that we've been asked to give. So we are looking to find the highest common factor of 15 and 50. Now that happens to be 5. And it is a coincidence that the whole number on the outside is 5, okay? So we've got 5 transfers over to be 5, with 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 50 divided by 5 is 10. This is now our simplest form answer. You press pause and try the question on this page here. Okay, so we've got 1 and the 3 we are looking to combine, and then we're looking to combine these fractions here. That gives us an answer of 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we've got 3/4 plus 1/8. Combine these values using smile is the x factor, so we have 4 whole values. When we smile, we are multiplying the bottom values together. First part of the x factor is to cross multiply the 3 and the 8. And the next part of the x factor is to cross multiply the 4 and the 1. That gives us 4 whole numbers. 3 times the 8 gives us 24. We are adding 4 times 1, which is 4, and that's all over 4 times 8, which is 32. That gives us an answer of 4 and 28 over 32, and that is equal to 4 whole numbers. Highest common factor of 28 and 32 is 4. Again, it's a coincidence that 4 is on the outside. So we're going to divide the top by 4 and divide the bottom by 4 to give us an answer of 7 over 8. So 4 and 7/8. The next question works in exactly the same way, so please press pause and work out what the addition is. Okay, for ease sake, I'm going to go straight to the answer where we have 7 and 13 over 12. Now this part of the video is here to show you how you deal with this improper fraction being in amongst this mixed fraction. In effect, we are looking to change this part of our fraction into a mixed number. So that gives us here, this part is equal to 12 goes into 13 once, with 1 out of the 12 left over. Now we must combine that to the 7 that we already had to give us 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 12th. If you press pause while you try the next question. Again, I'm going to be skipping to the last part of the answer before we deal with the improper fraction. Okay, so combining these values together through addition would give you an answer of 8 and 7/6. Dealing with this part of our fraction gives us an answer of 1 and 1/6. This needs to be combined with the 8 by giving us 8 plus the 1 is 9 and 1/6.